Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to move bulk pages in Confluence, and you can even move the parent pages along with the child pages as well. Okay, and what we'll do, we'll move it from this space to this one right here called design. And the way to go about this, you go ahead and click on these three dots next to the name of the page you want to move. Okay, you click on move. So you can do that for any pages, and then you can select the content accordingly, right? It doesn't have to be that exact page you want to move. You can just come here and select it. Now this one includes one child page, so move those. And now you select the space where you want to move, the destination. Okay, so here click on this and then choose, let's say design for us. For you it'll be another name. And once you have selected what you want to move, you click on move. And then right here, as you can see, this one will be gone from this space, and now it is under the design space. And there you go. That is how to move bulk pages in Confluence.